link Nightbot. In your browser, type Nightbot. Click to the link, and then you can see it here. You need to log in. Log in with your YouTube because we will connect our YouTube here in our Nightbot. Okay, click allow, and then you are in the home page of the Nightbot. You can see it on the side, dashboard, command, giveaways, and other stuff. So we will go through that later. But first you have to join your channel, and here you can find the Nightbot link that you need to put on to your YouTube channel. Copy the link and close, and then you have to log in to your YouTube channel and put the link in your community box. Remember to save it and add Nightbot as a moderator to your channel. And then let's go here. Click the command. Then you can type any command that you like. For example, in the screen, you can choose whatever you want. The command area will be your nickname of that link or channel link to those people that you want to put in your Nightbot. So I put Panda there, and please connect in with the link of the channel. So let's go to the timer. The timer will automatically be dropped by Nightbot. You can just type shout out. It will automatically write that in your live stream. Like the command, you need to type the code of your message box, so Nightbot will drop in. Nightbot will automatically drop down the message if you use the timer. You can put a lot of message like hello, welcome to my live stream. Remember guys that Nightbot only works when you use it in live stream, or you can use it also in your Premiere. When you put in the timer the message, you don't have to type anything. Nightbot will automatically drop in the link, unlike the command. So the command, you have to type in their code name or code word, but in the timer, Nightbot will just drop in automatically. But remember to put the time lapse if you do the timer, so they will not be conflict of the time. For example, the first timer you put in 5 minutes and the next will be 6, and try to do it in different timing. Here you go, you can see that I put something in the timer. You can add as much as you want, then click submit, and then you have it here. So let's go to the command. So in here you have to type the word code. Like for example, if your audience will type the word thumbs up, or you will type the word thumbs up, this message will automatically be dropped by Nightbot. So if you or other people will write the thumbs up in your live stream, Nightbot will automatically recognize it, and this will be the reply message in the box. So you have to think what do you want if the code will be right down. So here you go. You can also add as much as you like, and then like for example hello, if they type the word hello, then Nightbot will respond to their message. So the word command, that would be your code, so Nightbot will drop the message when you or your viewers will write it in the comment box below. So remember to enable it if you want to work it in your live stream, but if you don't want it, you can always disable the commands or the timer. Okay, so let's check how Nightbot works. So this is some sample from my live stream. So that's greetings and the link that I have saved in my Nightbot. So I hope you learned something and you already know how to set up your Nightbot. And if you have some comments or anything, questions, just write it below. So I will get back to you as soon as possible. So if this video helped you, so please don't forget to share to your friends.